God. Dadaan ulit tayo dun sa palengke. Ay!
Bawat sulok ng Pilipinas ay may kwento. Mula sa tuktok ng bundok, sa malalayang pulo, hanggang sa makulay na kalsada ng mga lungsod. Merong isang hindi natatapos na paglalakbay. Dahil sa bawat hakbang, sa bawat destinasyon, may isang bagong kwento na naghihintay. Ang bawat tagpo ay nagpapaalala ng kung gaano kahalaga ang pagmamahal sa sariling bayan. Ang pangarap natin, hindi lang makita ang lahat ng ito, kundi ma-experience ang lahat ng adventures, hamon, at higit sa lahat, pagmamahal sa Pilipinas. Tara, libutin ang sariling atin.
Literally, palengke ng Navotas, and literally this is Malabon, and if you cross that bridge, ayan, may nakasulat na Navotas. Okay. On our left side, that's Manila. Navotas. Hello again mga pards, mabilisan lang. This is Navotas, and in the next 2 minutes, kakatapos lang ng ating Malabon coverage, nandito na naman tayo. Nandito tayo kagad sa City Hall ng Navotas. Literally tumawid lang tayo ng tulay. So first time ko lang dito, I think, na makapunta ng Navotas. Pakiramdam ko it's a small town, pero city siya. Medyo masikip yung daan. Sikip ng daan, pero marami nangyayari. So, bago tayo makarating sa City Hall or sa checkpoint natin, ito muna ang quick history ng Navotas. Navotas City is located in the northwestern Metro Manila. From Kilometer 0 or Luneta Park, it's only about 8 kilometers away. That's roughly 20 to 30 minutes drive, depende sa traffic syempre. Making it accessible kung gusto nyong mamalengke ng solid seafood options, or just simply road trip. Navotas is a coastal city situated along the shores of Manila Bay. It's bordered by Malabon City to the northeast, Caloocan City to the east, and sa southern part naman, Manila. It also shares boundaries with Valenzuela through a network of waterways. Its proximity to these cities makes it vital part of Metro Manila or National Capital Region. Navotas has a long and proud history. It was officially founded as a town on January 16, 1906, but its roots trace back even further. It was once part of the vast Tondo region during the Spanish era. Navotas became a city on June 24, 2007, reflecting its growth and development as a thriving urban hub. Bakit nga ba ito tinawag na Navotas? The name Navotas comes from the Tagalog word nabutas, meaning pierce through. This refers to the natural channel that formed separating Navotas from Malabon. This body of water, known as the Navotas River, played a crucial role in shaping the city's identity and economy. Navotas is one of the smallest cities in Metro Manila, covering an area of approximately 10.77 square kilometers or simply 11 square kilometers. Despite its size, it has a bustling population of around 250,000 people. This makes it a densely populated yet tightly knit community. Navotas is divided into 10 barangays, each with its own distinct charm. Many residents here are involved in the fishing industry, while the others works in fish processing, trading, and other maritime activities. It's a true reflection of the city's coastal heritage. If you're planning to visit to Navotas, there are some must-see spots and experiences, like the Navotas Fishport Complex. Kung mahilig kayo sa seafood, aba, dito na kayo pumunta. This is the largest fish port in the Philippines. You can witness fresh seafood being unloaded and traded. the Navotas Mangrove Ecotourism Park, a beautiful nature reserve where you can learn about mangrove conservation and enjoy a relaxing walk. Also try the Navotas River Cruise. Take a traditional boat ride and see the city from a different perspective. Seafood market hopping. Don't miss the chance to try the freshest seafood. You can enjoy grilled fish, sinigang sa miso, and other local favorites. And also visit the San Jose de Navotas Parish, a historical church and a spiritual landmark for the locals. Other interesting facts about Navotas City, it is known as the fishing capital of the Philippines. Navotas supplies a massive amount of fresh fish to the markets all over the country. Navotas Fishport Complex is not only the largest fish port in the country, but also one of the biggest in Southeast Asia. Another is the boat making tradition. Many Navoteños are skilled boat makers, crafting wood fishing boats using time-honored techniques. Siyempre, hindi sila magpapahuli sa fiesta. They have Pangisdaan Festival, celebrated every January. This festival showcases the city's fishing heritage with colorful parades, street dances, and seafood feast. Navotas also have the eco-friendly initiatives, wherein they support mangrove reforestations to protect the coastline and reduce flooding. So welcome to Navotas. And that's City Hall already. Okay, dito na tayo gagawa ng thumbnail. Oy, sakto. Magawa tayong thumbnail dyan. Oh. Habang wala pa masyadong tao. Okay. So we are done. Ganun kabilis. We are done with the Navotas episode natin. Sa mga locals dyan, again, kung may kailangan balikan dito or there's something interesting pa na babalikan dito sa Navotas, please do share a comment at mapuntahan natin minsan. But for now, we are done with Navotas. At papunta naman tayo sa next destination natin, which is, so this Navotas. Yan yung Navotas. Where are we? Yan, Navotas City Hall. That's Malabon City Hall. Literally parang magkatalikod lang sila. So sa southern part natin, nandun ng Metro Manila or nandun ng Manila area. Ayan, galing tayo dyan. But for now, nandito nga tayo. At papunta tayo ng Valenzuela City Hall. Ayan. It's how many? 23 minutes. So tara. Pero magpahinga muna tayo at magkape. Magmuni-muni. Bakit ba natin to ginagawa? Well, ginagawa natin to dahil adventure nga. So may mga episodes, I think. This is our Manila, Caloocan, Malabon, Navotas. This is our 5th episode. And I think along the way, marami tayong matututunan. So, Navotas medyo napadaan lang. Pasensya na kayo kung medyo very quick at halos hindi tayo nakapag-ikot. Pero ngayon na-realize ko sa mga congested na lugar or sa mga matataong lugar tulad ng Manila or any place, city sa Metro Manila, mas convenient tingin ko nakamotorsiklo. Naging challenging sa akin yung parking, yung pasikot-sikot. May mga na-miss akong turns. I think mas convenient kung motorsiklo. Yun ang natutunan ko ngayon. At the same time, maybe additional research sa mga lugar na pupuntahan. Pero let's see. Navotas, napadaan lang kami. Maraming salamat. But I think that's it for Navotas. Magkakapit tayo dahil nasa isang spot na tayo. Time check, it's 7:30. And so far in terms of pag-shoot ng videos is naging productive tayo ngayong araw. papuntang Valenzuela. It's 23 minutes. So papunta doon makapag-isip-isip kung ano pang gagawin. Pero that will be our last episode covering Camanava area. It might be kulang, pero in terms of objective, check. Napuntahan natin eh. Maybe along the way, marami pa tayong makikitang interesting. So tara. I hope you like this video as much as I enjoyed making them. This provides me excitement, at the same time happiness, and this is fun. So ito yung hilig natin na ginagawa, at sana na-appreciate nyo rin. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Please do share comments kung may mga ideas kayo or gustong idagdag sa segment natin na ito. But for now, that's it muna mga Pards and mga Mars. Sana nagustuhan nyo ang video natin today, at lagi nating tatandaan, hilig man sa kotse o sa adventures, bakit ka pa pipili? Hard work pays off. Pwede both. Next stop, after Navotas, Valenzuela. So that's Malabon nga. At papunta tayong Valenzuela, sabi daw is mag-turn right tayo or mag-turn left na ginawa natin kanina. Pero para may adventure naman, hindi natin susundin yan. Dediretso tayo papuntang Valenzuela. Hindi ko alam kung saan pupunta, hindi ko alam kung anong mga isla, pero yan, that's Valenzuela. Tingnan natin kung saan tayo makarating. Dito nga sa Navotas mga Pards ay nauuso pa yung mga pedicab or operational pa yung mga pedicab. So sa kada lugar, ayan, meron silang mga signature na sasakyan. Katulad dito sa Navotas, yung mga pedicab nila na kakaiba. Ito rin yung mga disenyo ng kanilang mga tricycle. Kasi sa ibang area or sa ibang lugar, iba-iba din ang mga tricycle. Sa Palawan, sa pagkakaalala ko, ibang itsura ng tricycle doon. Sa ibang lugar naman, lowered. Yan. So ganito sa kanila. Lit na bayan. Ay, ganda na simbahan, oh. Nice. San Jose Academy. Grabe, sikip ng daan, pero mukhang tahimik. Ayan, hindi masyadong toxic tingin ko dito. Simple lang ang pamumuhay kahit part pa ng Metro Manila or part pa ng Manila. I wonder kung meron tulay dito. So nandito nga tayo mga Pards. At unfortunately, mukhang walang tulay patawid ng Valenzuela or patawid ng kabilang isla. Babalik nga talaga tayo. Wala tayong choice. Babalik tayo. Pumasok lang sa isip ko ngayon, sikat din palang Navotas sa Navotas Fishport. Check natin kung gaano kalayo from our location. It's along the way papuntang Valenzuela. So at least makita na natin finally ang Navotas Fishport. Isa rin to sa gusto natin pamalengkehan ng isda. May na-discover ako. Nasa Navotas ang opisina ng Tentay Patis. Is the C4 Road. Ayan. Babalikan natin to. Ayan, daming ano. Nice. Malawag na dito sa part na to. Silipin na natin yung Navotas Fishport and then on our way na tayo papuntang Valenzuela. Okay, so this is the fish complex. Okay na. Balik tayo, tsaka na lang tayo bumalik dyan. So nasa loob yung fishport. Sulitin na natin to. Kunin na natin to. Yan, habol.